welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok app on your Android phone. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store app, and once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then write in TikTok. Once you are done, click on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, the TikTok app is available to be downloaded. Click on the install button, and now all you have to do is wait. The downloading process has now started, and once the percentage hits 100, the app will be downloaded on your mobile phone. Once the open button turns green, tap on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app has now been successfully downloaded.
How to download TikTok application on your Android device. In order to download your TikTok application on Android, first thing to do is to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, and once you have it, tap open your Play Store. In the search box that appears at the top of the screen, search for TikTok, and once you make a search, you'll be able to see the application displayed on the screen. Tap on the app in order to view the further information about the application. To install the application right in your mobile device, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. The downloading process might take a while depending upon your internet speed, so be sure to be connected to a strong one. The TikTok application is a video-focused social networking service which hosts a variety of short-form user videos from genres like dance, comedy, education, and much more. Wait until the app gets installed on your device after the download has finished. After the installation is completed, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download TikTok application on your Android device. If you don't have an account yet, sign up for your TikTok by using your phone or email. Continue signing up with Facebook, Google, or even Twitter. Once you have an account, you can tap on the login button and log into your account by choosing one of the options displayed on the screen, enter your credentials, and you're good to go. On how to download a TikTok application on your iPhone. To download TikTok app on your iPhone, first make sure you're connected to your strong internet. Once you are, tap open your App Store from your app drawer. Right after you do that, go to the search button in the bottom right corner and tap it on. In the search box at the top of the screen, where it says Games, Apps, Stories, and more, go ahead and type in TikTok. Make your search, and you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap on the app to view further information about the application. To download the app, tap on the download button, and your download will begin. Wait for a few moments until the app gets downloaded on your iPhone. The download process will take a while depending upon your internet speed, so always be sure to be connected to a strong internet so that you can download any kind of an application easier and faster. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Tap it on in order to launch the app open.
How to download TikTok videos without watermark. In order to download a TikTok video without watermark, first go to your TikTok application and tap it open. Log into your TikTok account. Once you're in, select the video that you would like to download without watermark. Once you find the video, tap on the share icon or the arrow icon located at the bottom right, pointing towards the right side of the screen. Once you tap on that, under Share to, copy the link by tapping on Copy Link button. Once you've copied the link of the video, go to your web browser. In the search box, type in snaptik.app and search. With this website, you can easily download TikTok videos without watermark, so simply paste in the TikTok link that you just copied into the text box and tap download. You'll be able to see that the video has been found by the website. Tap on the download button displayed right under the video. You can tap on any server. Once you do that, your file is being downloaded. Tap on the open button after it is done at the bottom. Now simply play the video, and as you can see that there is no watermark in the particular video.
On how to download TikTok videos. I'm using my iPhone in today's video. If you're using an Android phone, then there is no problem at all. The process is quite similar. Start by going to your TikTok application from your app drawer. Once you're logged into your TikTok app, from the home page of TikTok, find the video that you would like to download. Once you find the video, tap on the arrow icon in the lower right part of this screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a button that says Save Video at the bottom. Tap it on in order to download the video on your phone. After you're done with the download, select Done or share your downloaded TikTok video to another channel that are displayed right in the options. Go to your phone gallery and tap it on.
you'll be able to find the video downloaded on your phone. How to sign up for TikTok. In order to create a new account for TikTok, the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the TikTok app on your Android device or your iOS. If you've not done that yet, go to your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box at the top, search for TikTok with the help of a keypad, and once you do that, you'll end up in this page. The application will be displayed at the top. Right next to it, tap on the install button in order to download the application. In my case, I've already downloaded the application, so it is showing me the open button. Simply tap it on in order to launch the app open. The first interface of TikTok will look like this. If you'd like to sign up for a new account, you can use one of the options displayed right under sign up for TikTok. You can use your phone number or your email, sign up with Facebook, Google, and even Twitter. You can also browse through TikTok videos without an account by tapping on Browse as Guest. Let me tap on the first option that says Use phone or email. Now, you'll need to go ahead and enter your birthday information. Select your date, year, and month from the toggle menu at the bottom. Soon after you do that, tap the next button in red. On the next page, you can either enter a mobile number or enter your email address for signing up. Let me choose email address. Make sure to type in a valid email address and tap Next. In order to continue, complete the puzzle. On the next page, create a password for your account. Make sure to type in the password that is 8 to 20 characters long. It must include letters, numbers, and special characters. Type in the password that is easier for you to remember and difficult for others to guess, and tap Next. Now, on the next page, you'll need to create a username for yourself. Type in the username of your choice in the text box and make sure to choose a unique username. If your username is valid, you'll be able to see a green tick mark at the right corner. You can also pick a username from the suggested list at the bottom. After you're happy with your username and you're ready to sign up, tap the sign up button. Wait for a few seconds, and that is how you can easily sign up for a new account on TikTok. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you'll end up in your profile for your TikTok. Start by creating your first video by tapping on the plus button at the bottom, and you'll be good to go.
How to log into TikTok application using your Android device. In order to log into your TikTok application, first make sure you've downloaded the app on your phone. If you've not done that yet, go to your Play Store and search for TikTok in the search box. Once you find the application, go ahead and install the app on your device. Since I've already got the app, let me tap on the open button to launch the app open. The first interface of TikTok will look like this. If you don't have an account yet, start off by signing up for TikTok by using one of the options displayed on the screen. You can sign up for your TikTok using your phone or email, continue signing up with Facebook, with your Google, or even with your Twitter account. Once you have an account, you can simply tap on the login button from this page at the bottom. While logging into your TikTok, you can use one of these options. Since I have signed up using the phone or email option, let me tap on the first option. If you've signed up using your Facebook, you can tap on Continue with Facebook. Similarly, you can also log in using your Google account or your Twitter account. But remember that you'll need to use the same option that you used while signing up. Let me tap on the first option since I have signed up using my email or username option. You can also go ahead and log in using your phone number by tapping on the phone number tab at the top and typing in your phone number in the text field. Let me choose the email and username option and type in my email or the username in the first text box. You can type in any one of them. Head over to the password field after you're done and type in the correct password for your account. Once you're done typing in your password, you can go ahead and log into your account. But in case you've forgotten your password and you don't know what to do next, you can tap on the Forgot Password link right beneath the password box and follow the instructions to reset to your new password. After entering all of your credentials correct, tap Login. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your TikTok account quick and easy. How to log into TikTok on your PC. Start by opening up your web browser. You can open up any web browser of your choice. Go to the address box at the top of the screen and type in www.tiktok.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the main homepage of TikTok. Go to the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see a login button. Give it a click in order to bring up a pop-up. You'll be able to see several options displayed on the screen. You can log in using your QR code with your phone number, your email or your username, your Facebook account, Google account, Twitter, Apple, and also Instagram. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the sign up link at the bottom of the pop-up. Follow the instructions in order to sign up for a TikTok account. account. In order to log into your account using your phone number or email option, let me click on the second option. Now, go ahead and choose your country code from the drop down and type in your phone number in the phone number text box. You can also log in using your email or your username. To do so, click on Login with email or username. Type in your email address in the text box that appears on the screen. Once you do that, head over to the password field, type in the password for your TikTok account. Make sure to type it in correct. In case you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after typing in your information correct, click the Login button, and soon after you click Login, you'll be logged into your TikTok account on your PC. How to change your username on TikTok. Start by tapping open your TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you are, from the For You page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. If you want to change your username into something else, tap on the Edit Profile button right under your Following or Followers tab. Go to the username text box and give it a tap. Now, type in the username of your choice, and once you find the username to be available, you'll be able to see a green tick mark right next to the username that you chose. Finally, tap on the Save button at the top right hand corner in order to set up your username. In the pop-up that asks you if you are sure you'd like to do so, you'll be able to see that it says you can change your username once every 30 days. So be sure to choose the correct username since you won't be able to change it for the next 30 days. After you're sure you'd like to do so, tap on Set Username, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be able to see your username change right away. Go to your profile page and you'll be able to see the changes. How to reset your TikTok password if you've forgotten your password details while logging into your TikTok account. Open up your TikTok application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you'll land in the home page. To log into your TikTok account, go to the profile button at the bottom right corner. Once you tap that on, you should see this kind of an interface. Tap on the Sign Up button, and now, right where it says Log into your TikTok, you can go ahead and pick any one options to continue logging to your account. But if you want to change your password, then you'll need to pick this first option that says Use Phone, Email, or Username. And on the next page, you can either enter your phone number or enter your email or your username and your password option. Go to the first field and type in your email address or your username associated with your TikTok account. Once you do that, when it asks for your password, if you happen to remember the password during the process, type it in into the text field. But if you don't remember your password at all, click on this Forgot Password link. Soon after you do that, you'll have two options to continue with. You can either use the phone number option or the email option in order to change your password. If you choose the phone number option, then you'll receive a verification code on your mobile number. Simply type in the code in the next page and follow the instructions. If you'd like to reset your password using your email, tap on the email option and you'll receive a verification code sent to your email address. In my case, let me go ahead and tap on the phone number option. Now, select your country code from the drop down and then type in your phone number. After you're done, tap on Send Code. Now, you'll receive a verification code sent to your mobile number. Simply type in the code in the text box. Wait for a few seconds, and on the next page, enter the new password that you'd like to reset to. While creating a password for yourself, make sure that your password must have these criteria displayed on the screen. Your password must be at least 8 to 20 characters long. You'll need to use letters, numbers, and special characters to complete setting up your password. And once you're done, tap on the Login button. Your new password has been set, and you are now logged into your TikTok account as well. Remember that next time you try to log into your account, use the same password that you just reset to. On how to change your TikTok password. Tap Open your TikTok application to begin. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you are, from the For You page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You'll end up in your profile page for TikTok, which looks like this. In order to change your TikTok password, go to the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in the Settings and Privacy tab. Tap on Manage Account. Right under Account Information, you'll be able to see a password option. Tap it on. And now, a 6-digit code has been sent to your mobile number. Simply type in the code that has been sent, and you'll get to choose a new password on the next page. Type in the new password that you'd like to change to. While creating a password for yourself, make sure that your password is at least 8 characters to 20 characters long. You'll need to include letters, numbers, and special characters on your password. After you're done changing the password to something else, tap on the Next button. Soon after you do that, your password will be changed to something else.
How to add music to TikTok. Open up your TikTok application and get started. make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are, in order to create a video content and add music to it, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your camera screen. If you'd like to take a video right now and add a song later, then simply go ahead and record your video by pressing the red icon at the bottom of the screen. You can also add in an existing video from your camera roll. Tap on the upload button at the lower right corner and select a video that you would like to add a song on. Now select an existing video from your camera roll that you would like to add a music to. Once you select a video, tap on the next button in the lower right corner. From the video preview page, tap on the next button in the top right corner. Tap on the sounds button in the bottom right corner in order to add in a music to it. Now, select the music from the recommended list or pick one of the musics that you have saved earlier. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a music on your TikTok video. Tap on the next button in the bottom right corner after you are done. Mention your friends, add in some hashtags for your video, and simply post it on by tapping on the post button in the lower right corner. How to add pictures to a TikTok. If you want to make a video by adding a picture on your TikTok, then here's how to do it. Open up your TikTok application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. In the camera page, tap on the upload button at the bottom right next to the record button. Now, tap on photos. From your camera roll, add in the image that you'd like to add to your content. After you are done selecting, you can tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. If you want, you can add more than one image. Simply tap on the bubble icon inside each image that you'd like to add in and tap on the next button in the bottom right. After you're done adding a photo, go ahead and upload your video as you normally would by tapping on the next button in the bottom right corner and describe your video, add in some hashtags, mention your friends, and much more, and simply tap on the post button in the bottom right corner. That is how you'll be able to add a photo on your TikTok video, quick and easy, in the most easiest way. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.